Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to change your name on bet365. Let's dive in. First of all, log into your bet365 account, enter your username and password to access your profile. Unfortunately, bet365 does not allow you to change your name directly through the settings. Instead, you will need to contact their customer support team. To do this, click on the Help or Contact Us option at the bottom of the page. Once you are connected to support, explain that you need to update your name. They may ask for verification documents like a government issued ID. To process the change, submit the documents through their secure portal. And that's it. Your request will be reviewed and Bet365 will update your name if all documents are in order. If this video helped, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.